Hi, I'm Joanne Litton, and today I want to show you how to make an easy and quick General Tso's chicken.
To get crushed cornflakes, I've added cornflakes into a bag. I have folded it over to remove the air and sealed it. Now using a rolling pin, I will crush the cornflakes to a fine crumb stage. Next, we are going to prepare the chicken. I like to cut it when it's partially frozen. You will want to cut into 1-inch chunk, bite-sized pieces. Next, whisk together 2 eggs. Now you're ready to dip your chicken pieces into flour, then your egg mixture, and finally toss them into your cornflakes. Press the chicken into the cornflakes mixture so that it stays on and place it on the parchment paper. The parchment paper makes for easy cleanup as well as adding browning to your chicken pieces. Add your chicken into a preheated 450-degree oven. You will be baking for 13 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you need to prepare your sauce. Pour all of the ingredients into a heavy bottom pan. Stir the ingredients together, making sure you mix thoroughly the cornstarch into the rest of the ingredients. Cook over medium-high heat for about 2 minutes until the sauce thickens. To make sure your chicken is done, insert your meat thermometer into a piece of chicken. You need to read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the chicken is done, you're ready to add it into your sauce. Stir it so that the sauce coats every piece of chicken thoroughly, and now you're ready to plate it and serve.